Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm going to show you how we repair the code C1433. Okay, so this means the car has an issue with steering angle sensor. So you'll be experiencing a right on the cluster. So this is the right what you'll be seeing on your cluster, and we diagnosed this car, and the code was permanent. So as you can see, I'm trying here to clear or erase the code, but the car is not erasing the code. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do here is going to check another I'm going to do a live test for this steering angle sensor. Okay, so I'm going to go to the data stream and check the steering angle sensor reading. So I'm going to select this angle sensor, and you can see the reading, the value is reading 1044. That's 1044. Remember, when the car is straight, the point should be always been 0. So I'm going to turn this and see if the values changes or doesn't change. Okay, so I'm turning the steering wheel, and you can see the value is changing. Remember, we have a positive turn and also a negative turn in angle sensor, and you can see for this it doesn't change. So what do we do next? We are going to dig down the root cause. So I'm going to remove this pyro. This is what we call the steering spiral. It is together housed with the steering angle sensor. So I'm going to remove this and show you the process. So after removing, you can see this is what we call the steering angle sensor. Okay, this one is for Toyota. So I'm going to the workshop and try see the root cause. Remember, it has an internal circuit. So common problem might be it need a calibration, has a wiring issue, VSC system malfunction, or the sensor itself is faulty. Let's meet in the next one.